10 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shoalwater 10 to 60 nautical miles.
EAS have issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shoalwater 10 to 60 nautical miles, coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shoalwater on 10 nautical miles, Grays Harbor Bar, until 4 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:25 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 25 nautical miles northwest of Cape Shoalwater, or 25 nautical miles west of Green Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Grays Harbor Bar, coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shoalwater on 10 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shoalwater 10 to 60 nautical miles.